kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind Kings Designs MD. I just want to show you some fun candy paper. So I'm just going to kind of zoom out so you guys can see. One is chocolate, one is Skittles. So I'm just going to go through really quickly and show you how I did the Skittles paper. If you've seen my videos before, you know that basically when I do any type of digital paper, I am just using repeating patterns. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the top of your page, you're going to center it wherever you'd like to have it, and then you will click duplicate. Now when you click duplicate, you're going to space it down to where you want it, and you're going to click duplicate again. Now what I like about Canva right now is that when you get ready to duplicate items, after you space it out, it automatically does the spacing for you. Now you can group these and you can shrink them down to be whatever size that you want, and you can place them wherever you want. So I've sized this down and I'm just going to move it over to the side right here on the edge of my paper, and now I'm going to click the duplicate button. So this way I can get, I'm moving too many things at a time. This way I can get the spacing that I want. And so now I have 2 rows duplicated. Now I'm going to click over them again. I'm going to size them down. And you can size them as small or as large as you want. But now I'm going to click the duplicate button again. This allows me to get another duplication out of it. And now I'm going to highlight all of them again. And I'm going to duplicate them down. Now again, you can duplicate them as small or as large as you want. At this point, it's a 6.1 by 2.9. And I can hit duplicate again and just space them out how I want it. Now you see the repeating pattern. It's now becoming digital paper. So I'm going to highlight over all of them. I'm going to group them. Now I can move them all as one piece. I can duplicate them again if I want, or I can expand them out just like that. So if I wanted to shrink them down again, I could shrink them down super small. This is now 4 point something here. Let me see. This is now a 4.4 by 4.3. So let's just duplicate it out again. And we can highlight over it. We can group it together. And we can expand it out if we want to expand it out. Or we could duplicate again if we want it. Now you can go as big and small as you want. You can move it around, place it however you'd like. But that's how you would do a repeating pattern for a fun candy page. Now for these candy pages, you can print this off and make this a fun sticker paper box if you want to give a gift. You could sublimate it onto something, some socks, a shirt, whatever you'd like. There's so many options on what you can do with this, but this is just some fun digital paper for that. Now, as far as the chocolate one, I did the same thing. I just picked 4 elements. It was a drip. I just went over here and picked a drip. I picked a chocolate bar, I picked a cookie, and I picked chocolate. And I put all 4 of them on a page, and then I just grouped them and shrunk them and grouped them and shrunk them, and got them to the dimensions that I wanted to be able to be a chocolate page. So that's how you do that for chocolate. That's how you do that for Skittles. And you can just move them around however you like. Make it as big or small as you want. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and go help somebody else. Have a great day.